This is a Kubota L245DT tractor, early 80s. It has a bad rear wheel bearing. It also is leaking out this housing in two places, the axle seal and the lower housing. The previous owner did not use gear resistant sealant. So we're going to go ahead and take these 14mm bolts all the way around off. And this will bring the whole rear axle, gear, and bearing assembly out. So most air wrenches will fit back here. You're going to have to clean all these nuts and bolts. On the other side, I had to tap and clean the threads and all these metric studs. These are metric, so keep that in mind when you're working on it. I'll continue taking out these bolts and I'll continue when the housing's off. So we pulled out the loose shaft assembly. This axle just pulls out after you take the bazillion 14mm. We went ahead and moved this fender and pivoted it. We didn't undo the lower. Just took these two 17s off. So as you see in here, there's the bearing wasted. But what's great is this is not real hard to do. So we're going to take this into the shop now. We're going to go ahead and get this keeper off. Looks like it's a tap off keeper. We're going to replace this bearing race. I'm not sure what the number is, but we'll see if there's a number on it. And we'll go by that number. And that should give us the right one. This one feels good. There's no play, but there's heat though. See those heat marks? Heat. If I had a choice, I would replace it. Parts are getting rare on this. Oh, look at that. So this one's wasted too. I'm not sure. Guess we are taking that apart. Shouldn't have any play in there like that. That left to right play. That should just be tight. Should be holding its own. So it looks like we're doing a bunch of bearings on this side. The other side was just a seal. So you have to use the gear lube resistant sealant. It's like an RTV. It's gray. Permatex makes it. It's rear end differential gear lube resistant. So keep that in mind.